We finally made it to the living room. What's up, y'all? This is the 57th day of remodeling my first house. I'm gonna start tearing apart this living room, and we're gonna actually install vinyl instead of laminate, just because the kitchen is right there and they all connect together, and I wanna make sure I waterproof this, and vinyl's a little bit better when it comes to waterproofing than laminate. Let's get into it. My goal today is to at least try to get started on this half, and we're gonna try to see how far we get. This is where the fun begins. See, I have to do some weird shit here. I need to do this number, but something like that. 3 3/4. I need a sharp razor for this shit. I mean, shit. That's the first row. I need to do this side as well. And then, all right, now, it's a little bit. Now, to some more annoying shit. I had to make this thing super thin. Right on this line. Guess this will work. Please, please. I think it's gonna work, guys. I need to throw some pieces here. There's a fat ass gap under there. Okay, pretty much an inch. Okay, I can get around like that, bro. With this. Ooh, this house is gonna look so nice with this floor, bro. All right, y'all, that's gonna be it for me today. Peace.